Yeah, welcome to our Smartkembo Discovery Science company. Today we have just made the project which is dealing with the automatic washing hands machines, and we have used the different components. There is the sensors, there is the motors, and different things. So this system will be used to wash hands automatically. No one will going to touch that scooping for opening the water to wash the hands. No, but we are just using the sensor and come direct. You put your hands in front of the sensor, then the water will be open and for you to start washing your hands. So come here, the sensor is here and the motor just here. This is the demo, the water, the tanking, this and so on. So when you come to this sensor here, you just put your hands in the sensor like this, and then the relay will open the power to go direct to the motor. So when you put your hands in front of the sensor like this, and the relay will just open, allow the hand just to go to wash your hands slowly. After then you go, no contact with any different component, no contact with pipe or what. Yeah, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels there. YouTube, we are just found on YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, and so on. So just go and subscribe there. Thank you.